My name is JAMB.
Okay. You are also a JAMB, right?
Yes.
You've written JAMB.
Yes.
Okay. How has it been the process?
Okay, the process has been very convenient. When I came, we were guided to a conference room where we stayed with equipped AC, and also it made me more comfortable and more, gave me more strength to be able to say, okay, I'm going to write this and I'm going to pass. I wasn't nervous or anything.
Okay, so now that you've written the exam, what are your expectations?
Okay, I wrote the exams with all my readings and studies, and by God's grace, I know I've done well, and I hope I get a very, very excellent result.
Okay. What you say is your name again?
Akina Jatimdayo.
It was the process wasn't really hard. The process wasn't really hard, and the center they did well, sure. It was fast, and the procedure was okay. It was okay. They were on set. Everything went smoothly. Yes, everything went well.
As far as you read your book and what you are doing, you understand, so there's no issue there. It is very stressful.
Okay.
Because there was someone you have to go for it, you have to queue. There was much crowd and all. And we waited for like 1 or 2 hours before we commenced the exam. Some people were still doing like the first or second batch or so.
Okay.
So they had to finish before we